Welcome all for the engineering graphic session. Today we are going to see about the topic projection of planes from Unit 2. The problem is a square lamina ABCD of 60 mm side with one of its edge on HP and lamina inclined at an angle of 45 degree to HP and one of its edge inclined at an angle 30 degree to VP. Draw its projection. So in this question they are given us a square lamina, a square surface of edges ABCD and each edge is 60 mm side with one of its edge on HP. And the lamina or the surface is inclined at an angle of 45 degree to HP. Lamina surface are same at an angle of 45 degree to HP. And one of its edge inclined at an angle 30 degree to VP. Draw its projections. So first of all, we are going to draw the front view and top view of a square lamina, and the plane is parallel to HP. Draw an XY line, XY reference line. Y. So now we are going to draw the front view and top view. Plan and elevation of the wire with its side parallel to HP. When it is parallel to HP means we can see in the square shape or the surface of the square in top view. In front view we can see a straight line. In top view we can see the surface of the full surface of the square and then the edges as we already they given us edges of edges A, B, C, D. The same we mark it here A, mark the square, using pencil and project these edges into front view. Because it is resting on HP means the front view will appear in the reference line only. So the front view will be a straight line. And then the front view line when we find in this we can see A and D is this. So we put it in bracket. A dash and B in bracket. Same B is visible, C is this. So we can put the C in bracket. So this is the initial position, that is the side is parallel to HP. So the next step is we have to draw a surface inclination. In projection of planes, we have to draw the second step is the surface inclination of the plane. So here the surface inclination is given as the surface or lamina is inclined 45 degree to horizontal. So 45 degree to horizontal plane means we can see the a line which is inclined 45 degree in front. So we have to draw this line into 45 degree line. First of all, we have to draw a 45 degree line. It's protracted in any point and draw a line of 45 degree. Draw a line of 45 degree by using protractor. And then we have to measure this A and B by using compass and place the compass here and cut an arc. So we have the resting edges, the resting side is AD. So we place this resting edge in XY line. That is A dash, B dash. The other point is B dash and C dash. Cross that line. Now we are going to extend the points to the top view by using scale by straight line towards top view. And also we are extending this top view here. So we are getting 4 points by joining these two lines. These are the points we are marking here. So the point is the intersecting point is D and D. So we have to mark it as D. And here the intersecting point is A and A. Here B and S. So we will get a rectangular shape in top view. Dark the rectangular shape. So the third step is given as the edge is inclined. Any one of the edge is inclined at an angle 30 degree to VP. So from this rectangle shape, we are going to place any one edge in 30-degree angle line. So for that, we are going to draw a 30-degree line first of all. So if we protractor a 30-degree line is inclined to VP. So the information is below the XY line. So the nearer edge is BC. They are given us any one edge. So I take this nearer edge BC. If they said the resting edge is inclined means we should take this AD line. Here they given us one of its edge. So we will take any one edge. I will take the nearer edge BC to mark the points. First I convert the C point here and take the measurement C to B and cut it here. And draw a 90-degree line, or by using mini drafter, we should draw a straight perpendicular line here. This point is B, that's C, this one is B, and take the measurement C to D and cut an arc here. And also take the measurement B to A and cut an arc here. Join all the points by using thick lines. And then this is D and A. So now we are going to draw the final view. Extend the top view to the front view using straight lines. And section this front view from here to join all the intersected points. This one is D, and this is C. And this is here and this is here. B dash, A dash, B dash, C dash. This is the final view of the inclined position. This is the plane. A plane is inclined 40 degree to HP and AB is inclined 30 degree to VP. Mark all the dimensions. Height 60 mm. And plane inclination 45 degree and side inclination 30 degree. So that's it. We have done that inclination of both lamina and edge inclination of a square lamina ABCD. Thank you.